Audi, a legacy of excellence. Audi has a long history of making great cars. They are known for their quality and innovation. From the classic Quattro to the modern e-tron, Audi pushes boundaries. They blend performance with luxury. This makes them a top choice for discerning drivers. Audi's commitment to excellence shows in their SUVs. These vehicles combine practicality with style. They offer a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, an Audi SUV delivers. Audi SUVs are more than just vehicles. They are a statement. They reflect a taste for sophistication and a desire for adventure. With an Audi SUV, you're not just driving a car, you're experiencing a legacy. The allure of Audi SUVs, design that inspires. Audi SUVs are known for their sleek and sophisticated design. The lines are sharp and modern. The stance is both athletic and elegant. From the signature single-frame grille to the distinctive headlights, Audi SUVs command attention. The interior is equally impressive. High-quality materials create a luxurious atmosphere. The layout is driver-focused with intuitive controls. Every detail is carefully considered to enhance the driving experience. Audi's commitment to design extends beyond aesthetics. They use lightweight materials to improve performance and efficiency. The aerodynamic shapes reduce wind resistance. This improves fuel economy and handling. Power and precision, the heart of Audi SUVs. Audi SUVs offer a range of powerful and efficient engines. You can choose from turbocharged gasoline engines or hybrid powertrains. Each engine is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and control. This system distributes power to all four wheels as needed. This ensures optimal grip in all weather conditions. Whether you're driving on wet pavement or snowy roads, Quattro gives you confidence. The transmissions are smooth and responsive, they shift seamlessly, maximizing performance and efficiency. Audi SUVs offer a dynamic driving experience. They are equally at home on city streets and winding country roads.